Time for a check on entertainment news. We're joined this morning by etalk's Lainey Lui. Hi there, Lainey.
Good morning.
David Spade is breaking his silence after the death yesterday of his sister-in-law, Kate Spade. Of course, Kate was married to David Spade's brother.
That's right. David Spade tweeted his thoughts on the news that we got yesterday, and the tweet said, I don't think everyone knew how bleeping funny she was. It's a rough world out there, people. Try to hang on." So, of course, what David Spade is referring to is the fact that reportedly Kate Spade suffered from mental illness. There are sources who say that she was severely depressed in the days leading up to her death. And there are also reports that she may have been having problems in her marriage, that she and her husband, who's David Spade's brother, Andy, were going to be getting a divorce, or that Andy wanted a divorce, and she was really having a hard time dealing with that. So many other celebrities, in addition to David Spade, are speaking up and offering their thoughts and remembering having a Kate Spade handbag in their lives, remembering the first time they owned a Kate Spade handbag. For example, Viola Davis, also on Twitter, said, "As unfussy as I am, I still loved my Kate Spade bags, practical, classy, and elegant, praying for her family, her husband, and 13-year-old daughter." And also Mindy Kaling, who is promoting a movie right now, Ocean's 8. Last night at the premiere, she was there, but she also took time out to tweet about Kate Spade, about heartbroken about the news of Kate Spade. "I have worn her clothes many, many times. They were colorful, bold, cheerful, and encouraged women to find the twinkly person inside them. You couldn't walk into her boutiques and not smile. Rest in peace, Kate." Kathy Griffin was accepting an award yesterday for her honoring her contributions to the LGBTQ community, and she actually wore an outfit in honor of Kate Spade. There's polka dots all over it, obviously reflecting the style of Kate Spade and the kinds of patterns you saw on Kate Spade clothing.
Yeah.
So it's definitely a sad loss for the fashion industry, for the Hollywood community, but also for anybody out there who also was a consumer and who enjoyed Kate Spade products.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can't help but think of that 13-year-old daughter of hers. My goodness. All right. Lainey, we're going to leave it there for today. Thanks for bringing us all of that. Appreciate it. And
thank you.
We'll talk to you later.